Told you I wasn't sure what was going on, but I'd be doing something. Well, here you go. Back porch. Bag of bacon. That's my Wagner cast iron. That was my grandma's skillet. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. So I'll figure out what else I'm doing. I'll bring you along. Okay, that's it. Nothing exciting. You saw it. I cooked the bacon, and then hooked the garden hoses and stuff for off the spigots so that stuff doesn't freeze. I saved you the watching me take out the trash. Did some laundry, couple dry dishes. Nothing exciting going on today. So sit out here, drink my coffee. I tried to show you that one picture right back there. There was two little beaver out there jumping up and down, splashing around in the water. As soon as I zoomed in, they quit splashing. So I'll see here in a minute. I'll watch some more and see if I can get another shot of the two beavers. Just a nice, quiet, rainy day. Sit down and drink a cup of coffee. So yep, that's it. That's my excitement. I think tomorrow I'm going to get the bird feeders out. I got some that I just get out in the winter time. I get those out the inventory. I'm just about out of bird seed. I call it bird seed. It's really squirrel food. There's a good dozen big red squirrels running around the yard here. But once I get those feeders up, yeah, they'll be everywhere. But I'll get the feeders hung up and get an inventory so when I go to town again I can get some more bird seed. That's all I got for you, folks. Hope everybody has a great week. And we'll see you Wednesday for Wednesday's Words of Wisdom.